Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you speak English naturally and confidently in real-life situations.
Today's topic is very important because many English learners feel nervous and uncomfortable when talking on the phone with friends.
That fear is completely normal because on the phone, you cannot see the other person's face or body language.
Yes, and because of that, many learners panic, forget words, and suddenly feel their English disappears completely.
But don't worry, because talking on the phone in English can become easy with simple phrases and daily practice.
In this lesson, we will teach you how to start a phone call with a friend in English.
When your friend answers the phone, you can start with a friendly greeting and say your name clearly.
For example, you can say, "Hi, John. This is Emma calling. How are you doing today?"
That sentence is polite, friendly, and very natural for everyday phone conversations.
Now, let's act out a real phone call conversation so learners can hear how it sounds. Now, learners, let's pause and explain why this phone conversation works very well for daily English practice.
Notice how we ask simple questions, give clear answers, and show interest in each other's lives.
Talking about your day, your feelings, and your plans are excellent topics for phone conversations with friends.
Another common problem learners face is not understanding everything the other person says on the phone.
That is completely okay, and you should never feel embarrassed to ask someone to repeat.
You can politely say, "Sorry, could you please repeat that more slowly?"
Or you can say, "I didn't catch that. Can you say it again, please?"
Now, let's continue the phone conversation and include this situation naturally.
Emma, I was thinking that maybe we could invite a few more friends to join us this weekend.
Sorry, John. I didn't quite catch that clearly. Could you please repeat what you just said slowly?
Of course. I was saying that maybe we could invite a few more friends to practice English together.
Oh, now I understand you perfectly. And yes, inviting more friends sounds like a great idea.
Learners, this is a very important skill because even native speakers ask people to repeat things.
Now, let's talk about how to end a phone call politely and naturally in English.
You should never hang up suddenly without saying goodbye, because it sounds rude.
You can say something like, "It was really nice talking to you, but I need to go now."
Or you can say, "Let's talk again soon, and thank you for calling me today."
Let's finish our phone conversation using polite ending phrases.
Emma, it was really great talking with you today, but I should let you go and enjoy your evening.
I feel the same way, John. Thank you for calling me, and let's talk again very soon.
Definitely. Take care of yourself, and I will message you later about our weekend plan.
Perfect. Have a lovely evening and speak to you again soon. Goodbye for now.
Dear learners, talking on the phone becomes easy when you practice these simple phrases regularly.
You do not need perfect grammar. You only need confidence and daily speaking practice.
Try calling a friend even for 2 minutes and talk slowly using simple sentences.
Remember, every phone call you make in English is one step closer to fluency.
Thank you for listening and learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in your English journey.